Hello, it is Miss Hake, and we are doing two information videos today. One is a beautiful read aloud called Animals in Winter, and the other one is all about cold winter animal adaptation. Ooh, how do animals adapt to the cold weather? What happens to them? Birds, what do they do? Little forest dwellers like squirrels, what do they do? Do you know what turtles do? Do you know what bears do? We've been talking a lot about bears lately. So that's the first discussion you're going to have with your little learner after watching the video. There are a couple different activities that you could do after that. You can do a deep dive on one of the animals that they're really interested in, and you can then go on a little inquiry with them by looking up some more research. You could pick one like the turtle and have them make turtles and bury them in the sand or the sandbox, or create habitat for the turtle to dig in. It really just depends on which animal the class or little learner is gravitating towards. When I did this, I had a turtle station and then I had a bird station, and they were to create birds with double feathers. So you can buy those feathers from a craft supply store, and they create double feathers for a bird. So these are just some great examples for an extension activity about that. But having a great adaptation conversation would be amazing. I also taught in Canada, so this would be the day that I would tell the class that I was going to time them and see how quickly they could get their snowsuits on and their hats, and then we would go outside and play. So if you have a big class or a little learner that struggles with getting their snowsuits on, make it a fun game and see how fast they can adapt to go outside. The second one is the Animals in Winter Read Aloud. And this one too just provides a lot of pictures and information. So reading these together and then really focusing on an animal would be a great idea. And seeing where the inquiry goes, asking, does anybody have a question about this, or anybody have a question about that? Googling it right away and putting it up on the whiteboard or finding more information is a great way to gain curiosity and really study the animal that best interests your learner. So those are all great ideas. Pick one and have lots of fun talking about adaptation. All right, see you soon. Bye.